Today I'll show you how to make a super easy elegant braided updo. So begin by making our parting on the side we like, and then you want to divide all our hair into 2 equal sections. Now we want to grab one of these sections, tie it using a clear elastic, make an opening and bring this ponytail through this opening. Tug on the edge of the created ponytail so it will look voluminous and pretty. Basically, as you can see, this is a topsy tail and we will repeat it with our second section as well. When our topsy tails are ready, we want to grab the rest of our hair, divide it into 3 and begin a simple, loose 3-strand braid. Tie the ends using a clear elastic, but on last time make sure to pull it only halfway through like I'm showing. Then you want to loosen our braid and roll it up like I'm showing, pinning it in place with several bobby pins. You want to fan it out a little bit with your created bun, fix it using as many bobby pins as you need, and you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this super easy, elegant braided bun. If you like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys so much. See you soon in my next video. Bye!